She's been asleep for a long time. I read in a book that only a prince can wake up a sleeping princess. I thought if I helped you fall in love with Sticky, then I would be acting like a prince. Then maybe my mom would wake up. Have you ever been in love, Puppycat?
I planted all kinds of things I could use for cooking. There's a bunch of recipes that I want to try with like homegrown herbs and vegetables, so I just like found some packets laying around and I planted them.
So they're edible?
Yeah. I sort of like kind of tried cross-pollinating them, I think, with hey. They taste bad? Wait, you can tell me if they're bad. What? What's wrong? Hey, hey.
Nothing's wrong. They're really good. You missed the dumpster. Why are you trying to throw this out?
Cass filled it out for me. I don't even want to go. I like my job. I like living here. Do you want me to leave?